guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to do a warm holiday glam look. Let me go ahead and put on my contacts and do my eyebrows. Hey guys, so my eyebrows are on, my contacts are in. For my eyebrows I did use my MAC Paint Jelly Paint Pot as a base for my eyebrows and my eyeshadow. Then I went ahead and outlined my brows with my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in 3.5. That's just for the outline. To fill it in with the hair-like strokes, I used the Dip Brow Pomade in Amity from Anastasia, and then I topped that all off with my red eyeshadow, Hot Red Eyeshadow by NYX, which looks like that. And I cleaned up my brows with my NYX Conceal, Correct, and Contour palette in Light. Alright, so I want this to be a warm yet glam look, but like on the neutral side. So I decided I'm gonna do this more of a easily accessible eyeshadows for those on a budget friendly makeup. Okay, so I got the Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach palette, which looks like this, and this is what I'm gonna use today to create my look. And I might just top it off with some sort of glitter in the center. I'm not sure yet. So I'm gonna do one eye off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and show you how I did it. Alright guys, so I'm back. This is the look that I created. It was really simple. It's like a orange halo eye, perfect for Thanksgiving. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Grabbing the palette, it is the non-basic peach palette, and it looks like this. I'm gonna go ahead and take that transition shade first with a large blending brush, and I'm gonna put that all over my brow bone and bring it down into my crease. Next, I'm going to take the transition shade at the bottom, which is that burnt color, and I'm going to put that in my crease and blend it upwards with the same exact brush. Alright, so I'm going to switch up brushes. I'm going to take a flat shading brush, and I'm going to pick up, a fat shading brush. Looks like it's like that. And I'm gonna take the orangest shade in the palette right there, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner and my outer corner, but I'm gonna leave the middle part of my lid completely bare. Next, I'm going to take an NYX Jumbo Pencil in the color Pure Gold, which looks like this. And I'm going to put it in the center of my lid and blend that out. I'm just going to blend it out using my finger. Now I'm going to go back into the palette and take that gold color right there with my flat shading brush, and I'm gonna pack it on top. Alright, you could go back into the orange color and just go around the edges just like that. Now I'm going to take a small blending brush and go into that dark brown color in the palette, which is that one. And I'm going to put that here and then blend it into my crease just a tad. And I'm picking up a little bit of product at a time because I don't want it to be overboard. Once you got all that dark color on there, you can't go back. Alright, now I'm going to start to blend it outwards. And I'm just going in small circles. I'm just looking in the mirror, making sure I'm matching up where it lies. It needs to go a little bit higher on the side. I'm just gonna sweep it in. Circles, sweep. Circles, and then sweep. The reason I'm not doing circles when I get here is because if you're doing the circles once you get here, it's gonna really blow it out in that area. And I don't want it to be blown out. I want it to be blown out right here and then go thin into that crease area. Now I'm just gonna clean off that same exact brush. Make sure I clean it off really good. And I'm gonna go back into the orange color. And I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. I'm gonna take a flat brush that looks like this. And I'm gonna go into that dark brown and go under my lash line. 2/3 of the way in, about there. And connect it with that brown from the top. And then clean off that blending brush again. And just make sure it's blended right here. Taking a nude pencil, I'm gonna take my Rimmel Scandal Eyes nude pencil and just line my waterline. Now I am going to put on my glitter. So I'm taking my NYX glitter primer. This one, I'm gonna lay a thin coat right on top of the gold, and then I'm gonna take my NYX Glitter Mania in the color Hot Gold, which looks like that. And I'm gonna pack that on top. I'm just putting a little bit of the glitter primer in the back of my hand, tapping it with my finger, and I'm gonna lay that on top of the gold. Now I'm gonna open my glitter, take my little glitter tool that came in one of my motor brush sets, and I'm going to just pack glitter on. And I'm going to use my finger to make sure it's really sticking to the glitter primer. Alright, so I'm going to take some more of that orange color and just blend it on the side of that glitter. Then I'm going to dip into that gold color one more time and do the same exact thing. Like that. All right, so for eyeliner, I'm not gonna go crazy. I actually just use my Wet n Wild Mega Slim Skinny Tip eyeliner, and it's very, very thin. So I'm just gonna create a small little wing on this side. There's glitter on it. Take that glitter off. There we go. I'm creating a small little wing. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some eyelashes on. So the eyelashes I'm going to be using are my Kiss So Wispy No. 7 lashes that look like this. So I'm going to go ahead and put the glue on them, wait for them to get a little tacky, and then I'm going to stick it on. Be back. Alright, so now that the lashes are on, to highlight my brow bone, I'm going to go into my Milani Stellar Lights highlighter palette. So it looks like this, and this is the No. 3 Rose Gold one. So I'm going to take the one in the middle called Golden Quartz. And I'm just going to take a flat brush, clean off everything on it, dip in and go under the brow. To blend it out, I'm going to go in with that huge blending brush from before, clean it off, and just blend. I'm also going to use this in my inner corner as well. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and clean off any fallout on my face. Then I'm going to apply my mascara. My mascara is going to be my L'Oreal my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara, which looks like that. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that, and then I will be back so we can start the face. Okay, so I went ahead and finished putting on my mascara. I didn't do my bottom lashes. I'm going to do that after I do my powder. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. I'm going to use my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Matte Primer, which looks like this. I honestly don't know if this primer is supposed to be this thick. It's like really thick and like chunky. It doesn't feel like it's expired. I mean, smell like it's expired or anything like that. It's just really weird. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation now, which is gonna be the Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Natural, which looks like this. Just gonna put a few bumps on the back of my hand. Shake it up first. Because it was clogged, I took out way too much. I'm gonna go around my eyebrows first. Alright, and I'm just gonna blend that all out. Okay, so now that I have on my foundation, I'm going to take the Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer. And the color I have is Vanilla. So, looks like that. I'm just going to do one side at a time. And the mistake I made with the foundation was that I put streaks all over my face too early, because I completely forgot that this foundation dries so fast. So it was a pain in the behind to try to blend out. So if you do have this foundation and you're going to use it, make sure you don't put those lines all over your face, and try to blend it out. Do one small section at a time. And same goes for the concealer. It does dry down really fast, so just going to do it in small sections. Okay, now that I have all of that concealer blended out, I'm just going to go ahead and set all of that with my Airspun powder. The shade is Extra Translucent. And then I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. And then I'll be back. Alright, now that I put all my powder on, I'm just baking a little bit. That's why I look so white. I'm going to take my Milani Sun Kissed Silky Matte Bronzing Powder to contour my face, and that looks like that. After my nose contour, I'm just going to take some more of that Airspun powder, and I'm just going to put it on the side of my contour. And this helps to bake the contour and also blend out the line. So the powder that I have on my rest of my face, I'm just going to go ahead and take that off. Under my cheeks as well. Now I'm just going to use my blush. Actually, I'm just going to apply my blush. Alright, now I'm going to add my blush, which is going to be the Rimmel Maxi Blush in the shade Sweet Cheeks. That looks like that. It's like, it's a corally color, but for some reason on camera it's coming up like more of an orange, but it's not. I'm going to load up my brush. Alright, I'm just going to blend it out. While my nose contour was baking, I went ahead and put on my bottom mascara, and I fixed my hair up. So now I'm just going to dust off all that powder on my nose. I'm going to apply my highlighter, and I'm just going to go back into that Milani Trio highlighter palette that I had before, the Stellar Lights Rose Gold. I'm going to take that middle one, and I'm going to apply it to the highest part of my cheek right here, and then going on top of my cheekbone and around my eyebrow. And then I'm going to apply it right here, middle of my forehead, my chin, my lip, and my nose. Just going to put a little bit more in my inner corners. Then I'm going to set my face with my NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. For my lips, I want something nude, like really nude, barely there. So let me take a look at what I have. The color I chose is NYX Natural Lip Pencil. It's Wet n Wild's Fergie Daily, which looks like that. And then I'm going to top that with a Butter Gloss by NYX in the shade Vanilla Cream Pie. Alright, so I'm going to top that with my NYX Butter Gloss in Vanilla Cream Pie. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the look. It is a neutral glam look, but very budget friendly. I did use all drugstore products with the exception of what I use to prime my eyes and my brows. At the time I wasn't thinking this was going to be a budget friendly look. I would have definitely switched up my products, so I do apologize about that. There are alternatives you could use though. Instead of the Anastasia Dip Brow, you could definitely use an e.l.f. cream eyeliner in coffee or black. You can definitely use a regular brown pencil from the drugstore to create the outline of your brows, and the eyeshadow is a drugstore eyeshadow, so that is fine. As far as the base, you can definitely use either an e.l.f. primer. NYX have good eyeshadow primers as well. It doesn't have to be MAC. That's just what I had on hand. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed how it looked. I really like it. To be honest, I think I should have switched up my background to a gold glitter background underneath this curtain. It probably would have matched even more, but what's done is done. I really like it. I think it came out super cute. If you guys liked it, please give it a big fat thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed already, please do hit the notification bell so you always know when my videos go up. And as always, thank you guys for watching.